Okay, there was a gap up opening. Is there any news? Okay, no news. So it is around its opening price, but it is bullish. It can take out this high. 4 hour, it has been sideways all day, so that's a good thing. We can expect a breakout. We are bullish. GBP. Let's check the lower time frame. Nice, nice. It's a really good pattern. Sideways giving breakout. Okay. Oh, no pullback so far. That's one thing. But we are clear about the trend. That's a good thing. So it has given a breakout. I need a 5-minute breakout structure. It has a place. There is no place for entry. Okay. I want at least the retest of this zone. I need a 5-minute pullback at least. I can't half quantity. We are very good at a good position, so I won't risk. So I need a 5-minute breakout structure at least. A pullback is needed. Still, there is 10 minutes. We might get a pullback. Then it will be an easy trade. Euro, same gap up around its opening price. Can take out the high. Same sideways, giving a breakout. Not yet. The London high is. It will come to London highs, but in 15 minutes it has given a breakout structure. Here, this was a good place for entry. 5-minute breakout structure. One could have entered here. Same. We need at least a 5-minute breakout structure in both for a better confirmation. So we just need almost 2.5%. So I'm trying to just take high probability trades. Bearish. There must be something. I don't know what's happening around the world which has caused this gap up, gap down. How much gap down is it? Daily it is down almost 2%. A gap down of almost 0.5%. Okay. In hourly breakout structure, here it was sideways. In London session, it should have gone down, but this candle was not very strong. Other two also were not that strong. This is a pullback. Not looking good to trade because there is a gap over here which can be filled. And hourly candle, these two are looking good candles. So this is a inverted hammer, but it can be a pause candle. And this candle, this if this candle closes below this swing, then yeah, the bearishness, the trend can continue. Otherwise, it looks like this candle might go down, but ultimately close, make a hammer or close around or make a doji, and then continue for the upside because it is in the fair value gap. The trend for the upside is there. This was a good trend, and it was sideways over here, so it should have given a good breakdown, but the strength is not there for the selling. Might have exhausted, but let's see. If I had to, then I would not trade. Uh, if I like to trade with the trend, but not looking good. The selling strength is not. I can't see the strength for selling. This leg is a strong leg, the buying leg. So, and it's already down almost 2%. So it can give a recovery. If I had to, I will go because it's against the trend. This is a swing. That is a confirmation for a W pattern. Okay, not bad. This is a good trend for the downside. We trade with the trend of the market, so I won't buy because that will be against what we do. Okay, not bad. This was a good strength, but the selling pressure is there in the smaller time frame. I need a 5-minute pullback to trade this one. So bearish JPY and same 5-minute breakout structure. Gold just in daily bullish like gold. Unless it bends, we will keep following the trend. 4 hours sideways. Okay, overall trend is bullish, so we'll look if there is a buying place. Over here, it gave a breakout structure. Over here, it gave a breakout structure. There are a lot of wicks which I don't like, which can cause SL. Over here, it gave a breakout structure for the downside, and now, yeah, it retested this order block also. So, okay, if it gives the 50-minute breakout structure, then I can look for trades. Nice. This is not bad, not bad. It was in this zone. London session was sideways, so we can expect a good trend in New York session. So I would like to trade gold. In which direction? I will go with the trend. It has given a 5-minute breakout structure. Retest of this zone and 1-minute breakout structure is more than enough. If it closes above the swing, then that is a 15-minute breakout structure, and then we can look for 1 minute in 15-minute order block. So I'm bullish in gold, and I would like to trade gold rather than other pairs. One good trade is enough for us to pass the account. And this is looking actually very good. London was sideways. This is a good manipulation and it can continue for the higher side. So yeah, 1 minute breakout structure in 5-minute order block. I would monitor gold and okay, very bullish. In daily, it yesterday also it was bullish, but it closed around its opening price. Day before yesterday, it did close around its opening price, but it gave a big wick. Before that, also not a big wick, but today I expect it to not make a big wick. It cannot happen every day. Good 4 hour, it was sideways for one doji candle. Now it's going higher for the higher sides. Hourly, the one thing, okay, it's not looking great because this was a very strong candle and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candle it took to cover this one. We need a higher time frame confirmation. Okay, not bad. This two can it held for two candle, continue two candle, it held then continue, and now it's at an important level, key level. It can reverse from here. If I had to, then I would look for buys. 15-minute, nice. I like this pattern. 5-minute breakout structure is also happening. So yeah, it's a simple one. I would like to only trade gold and NQ. If the M2M passes, then I will clear the account. I just don't need to be wrong. I just need to be. If I am not completely right, still I will make the money because 1:3. Yeah, M2M will reach before the target. So let's see. 5 minute. It has to close above the swing to make it a valid breakout structure. So we are bullish in JPY, in NQ, 5-minute order block, same as gold, plus 1 minute breakout structure. So that's the plan. Let's see. So we have a breakout structure and it almost retested the 5-minute order block. So that's good enough. I just need a 1 minute breakout structure in gold and I will enter. And same in NQ, I just need a retest of this 5-minute order block, which I don't think will happen, but fine. If it won't, then we won't trade. Okay, it just happened. So I am waiting for 1 minute breakout structure in both pairs and I won't look at any other pairs. These two are good enough. Let's see. Thank you is moving down. If it gives the breakout, this is an important level. Its opening price. It should come around its opening price for making it a valid breakout structure. We will get a trade, most likely get a trade in gold. A little late entry in NQ, but fine. Let's see. Okay, gold is also giving an entry. Almost there, not yet. Buying over here, SL. Okay. Oh, little the spike got a bad entry. So we are in both trades. Let's see. M2M reaches 2% up, then I'll exit. Good. Most likely we'll pass the account. So let me also make the M2M. Gold should go directly up from here. If not, then there can be sweeps. Let's see. Okay, gold retracing. The spike got a bad entry, so my SL fine, no problem. If it's meant to be, then we will get a TP in a one swoop. Not a good entry because it did. I was not hoping for it to reverse, but fine. Breakout structure didn't happen, so you can say it was not a perfect entry. Here it was. It gave a breakout structure, so this was a good entry. Here still the breakout structure is pending. Okay, so you can see the M2M over here. Okay, now it's giving a breakout structure. Good, we can have a better SL. So my SL entry somewhere. Okay, no, my entry was over here. SL. I won't take any more trades. Two trades. These are good enough. Others are low probability trades. JPY. Maybe let me check JPY. JPY. Okay, it went down, so doesn't matter. So these are the only two trades. Okay, now it's moving in our favor. M to M finally. So most likely now we will pass the account because Now it has given a breakout. It I was hoping for a manipulation, but you can see that to M420 we need almost $120 something, and finally NQ is also moving. This pullback was something I was worried about, but now it's looking good. If it hits SL, then it was a good trade. My entry, the spike got a bad entry, so my SL is over here. We don't need okay 1 more percent, and we will pass the account. Yeah, we'll pass the account. Fine, it will go in our favor most likely. I'll just keep watch on M2M to exit. Okay, NQ is more than enough for us to hit the TP. Actually, we don't even need gold, but well, my SL in gold has gotten even better because we were waiting for a breakout structure. But so you can fine, let's leave it. Okay, let's see. It's a good thing we passed our account last month also. If this one hits TP, then we can say we have made a good progress so far because last month also we passed one account for the step one. That was the first time we ever passed our step one with proper planning, and this time also we are in the next month, December. Now in January we are passing, so we are on the right path. That's a proof that we are on the right path. And most likely this year might be a great year. Just need to follow our plans. Okay, 680, 670. Last time we failed step two, and for that I have other plans to improve and take better trades. 460, 470, 480. Okay, for again, guys, step one clearing again. That's something. One time can be fluke. No, last time also it was a great. We passed the account with great precision. The luck was not on our side few times, but still we passed the account, so there was no luck. And this time, yeah, we are going aggressive because we can't wait for a whole month just to clear pass step one. That's just illogical. That will take me years to be profitable. This is just one way to prove that you can do it. Then I can increase my positions. I think I can buy bigger accounts because I know I can do it. Then why not? This is just one. Okay, almost there. We are gonna pass the step one again. Last month also we did almost there. Okay, we touched. Done. Done, guys. Again we passed step one again. Perfect. Peace. Oh, such beautiful trade. Then this will hit the TP, but fine. We passed the account. You can see the balance. 5, 1. And how many trades did we take in this account? Not too much. Last time we used to trade 2 sessions. Now, like we are improving day by day. We are just doing better. You can see, so just you can number of trades are so low. We passed the account in almost a week. So great, and nice. Yes. I hope we are on the right path. And tomorrow I won't trade because I have to go out. So I will see you on Wednesday. And for step two, my plan is to not go 1% per trade because now I was going aggressive and now I'm on step two. So I will decrease my positions. I think I will decide it will be half or maybe 0.75 quantity. Let's see. You will know, and let's pray that we pass step two. It's not about the money. We could have passed many accounts. I traded for 1 year and I have never passed the account. Only once I passed with fluke. But this is a proof that I'm going on the right path. Last month also we passed an account. This month also we passed step one. The next step is passing step two. That means we are one step closer to success. Great. This gives me really good hope that yes, I'm on the right path. And see you on Wednesday. Bye. If you have any doubts, you can ask in comment section. And after that, it's okay. Bye.